All right, Bryce. Come here. Here's your fish you caught. Come here, Bryce.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to put him back in the water. Come here. You don't want to see him? I'm going to give him some air.
I want to eat that man.
No, we're not going to eat him. Come here. You don't want to hold him?
No. You going to wake up?
Yeah, I'm going to let him breathe for a little bit, and then I'm going to let him go, okay? He breathes in the water. Okay? Bryce, do you want to see him? Come here. Put your fishing pole down and come here. Don't you want to see your fish you caught? You caught a big one.
Let's cook it.
We can't cook it. This is Uncle David's fish. You want to see him? Come here. Walk over here. What? Woo, there he went. Reel him in.
Dad got him?
Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Coming?
Pull him up. Lift him up.
Well, is he gone?
Pick him up. Pull him up. Pull him. Oh, you caught a big one. What do you think, Bryce?
Good.
Put him down here.
See?
Yeah, okay, let go, Bryce.
Well,
Are you afraid of him? You wanna?
Well, he is dead, isn't he?
You wanna hold your fish and get a picture?
Yes.
What do you think?
If I touch him...
Touch him, it'll be okay. Hurry up, he can't stay. Hurry up, Bryce. Don't. It's okay, he won't hurt you. Oh, yeah, you got another one. Pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up. Don't reel, pick him up. Swing him around here.
The fish I just caught.
Yeah, you just caught this one too, didn't you? You did good. Put him back in the water for a minute. Sit him down. Set him down, Bryce. All right. All right, you got another one, Bryce.
Got the one I still...
Come on. Pull him up. Pull him up.
I still got the one I got.
Okay, pull him over here. Swing him over this way.
Is it the one I got it?
Nope. Do you want to set this one again?
What? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You think about this. You like fishing?
Yeah. Let me touch his fin.
All right, touch him.
What's he gonna do?
He might jump a little bit, but he won't grate you. Touch him. Hurry up, Bryce. Touch his tail. Bryce, you're going to kill him. We got to get him in the water.
Put him in the water, hurry up.
All right. Come on, Bryce. Oh, well. Come on. There you go. You got him. You got him again. All right. Yeah. All right. What do you think about... You going to kiss him, huh? All right. See.
Like that?
Yeah, I like that. Do you like fishing?
Yeah. This wants to be back.
All right.
Just give him some air.